That was way steeper than I thought it was. That was way steeper. I'm gonna fucking drop this bitch. Nah, dude. That's what I felt like. Sick as fuck. You saved it. No, oh, you didn't fuck it up.
Like massive.
Oh shit, this is a fucking real plane.
Yeah, dude. I'll show you. I don't know if you know Chris Kuhn, but he just recently passed away.
I've been hearing him. Well, you know.
He did send me. Yeah, dude, we don't want it to get blown up.
Oh, you got a whole setup and everything. That's fucking sick.
Like the inside walls, like on
Today's adventure. This is crazy. All the places bike life will take you.
Welcome to my crib.
Man, if I was a bum, I totally would live in one of these airplanes. I'm gonna check out the cockpit.
That's so gnarly.
Holy shit, man, this is fucking sick.
All the coppers and shit's gone.
I don't even want to sit down. I might fucking get tetanus.
Yeah. Something. A rat.
Dude, this is so fucking sick though.
You moved the plane.
Did I?
No.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I've jumped out of an airplane before.
I have too. Down there and shit. I feel like, dude, there could be a body in there and nobody would know.
Dude, I'm gonna ask some kids if they want to take some, if they could take some cool pics. Yo, this is like, you could definitely just plane from the 70s, yo, cause like, it's just a fucking lounge couch.
The cables that move the back of the plane.
Yeah. That's sick. Hey, would y'all take some pictures? Hold on. Yeah, dude. Hey, one of y'all got a pretty nice camera. If you could take some pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying what y'all went on of the bikes and all the bullshit.
Look. Hey. DC-4.
Yeah. Fucking right.